Alright, welcome to SouFLoTV again. It's Morning Thoughts with SouFlo, right? So if you don't know what the Morning Thoughts is when I'm about to go to work. I'm parked right in front of the establishment and I'm about to go inside and get my daily bread. Now, this week, we can't talk about anything. We could have been talking about this morning about how our murder rate in Jamaica is past 60. 60 people murdered, and we're only 15 days into the new year. And I made a prediction that 2018, our murder rate number is going to be higher than it was in 2017. And we finished off 2017 with 1,616 murders in Jamaica. But that's not what we're going to talk about this morning. This video will be less than or probably just about 5 minutes long. So stay with it, all right? 5 minutes of your time won't do you no harm. This morning, I'm really appreciative of life, man. So we're going to start out the week on a positive note. Now, later on, because you know SouFLoTV uploads about 2 to 3 videos per day. So later on, we're going to get into all the things them. But right now, we just want to start the morning off, the day off on a positive note, right? So there's some people out there who went to bed vexed last night, right? And you wake up vexed this morning. You're not appreciative of life. You're a dash stone in a God face, man. You really don't understand. Like, people, look, one of the hardest things is to be around someone that does not, or around people that don't appreciate life when you have fully gained the understanding of true appreciation for life. You know what I'm saying? Like, if you're still making small things bother you to the point where they bother you for days, you're not appreciative of life. Life is short. Enough people, not all people either, enough people got sleep last night and went to sleep permanently. Did not wake up this morning. You hear about 25-year-old drop asleep. In them sleep, never come back out tight. And everybody's wondering what happened to her. She was healthy. You know what I'm saying? People get mashed up in a car accident. People just wake up today, they'll find out that they have terminal cancer, or them just catch AIDS, or whatever the case may be. Just be appreciative of life, man. I feel so energized this morning. This morning I started a cleanse, and I'll encourage all my audience members to do the same. I'm starting mine off light with some Dr. King sulfur bitters. That's what I took this morning. And my intentions is, last night I had some carrots and potato with beef, right? But all right, may I wash out that. I don't eat red meat on a regular basis, but I'm gonna wash that out. So today I start my cleanse, and the cleanse is with the Dr. King sulfur bitters. Just so you know what I use, not saying that's what you have to use. And then I'm gonna go on into the Coromanti bitters. Get you some of that as well, right? And then after the Coromanti bitters come the weekend. Now on the weekend I might do a radical Epsom salt cleanse. I clean out the body, clean out the system. So anyways, I'm very appreciative of life. Don't let anything get you down, man. Life is, an elder said to me a long time ago, and then I seen it written other places. Enough of the things people say to you, it's written somewhere and they got it from somewhere else. See, if you're a seeker of happiness, you will always find happiness. If you walk around with negative vibrations, you will always attract negativity to you. You know what I'm saying? Somebody said to me a long time ago, an older person said, life is 90% how you deal with it. It's only 10% what happens to you. I sat with that for a long time. So you mean to tell me, says only 10% what happens to me, and it's 90% on how I deal with it? Yeah, it's true. It's very, very true. Take a most drastic instance. Somebody might have dropped down dead, right? And the person still happy that day. Because you look on it like this. Oh, God almighty, life I end, my mother dead. What me I gonna do? That person took that same situation and looked at it like this. Mommy come, she live her life, she lived a good life, she gone home now. You know what I say? It's life cycle, she reached the end of life. Sure, I'm gonna cry because I'm gonna miss her and I love her, but that's the end of life and I too will go one day. Don't know where my end is, but I'm gonna live up. No. You understand? And that's what I gotta say. So live up today, man, and stop dragging around your problems with you. Anything happened yesterday, negative, left it right. That's yesterday was yesterday. That's why today is a gift, a present. That's why they call it the present. You know, your unwrapped presents, today is your present. Be in the present. Be in the now. Be in the today, this moment. Live your life and live to the fullest as if tomorrow is not promised to you, because what? Alright, tomorrow ain't promised to you. SouFLoTV, man, like, comment, share, subscribe, stay tuned, because today, later on, we're gonna talk up the real talk up them. Alright, I'm out. Peace.